Hello YouTubers, today we are going to start a new channel called Men Can Cook, and my partner in this will be my son Naman. And today we're going to start with cooking an Indian dish called Okra Masala or Bhindi Masala, which is a very common and delicious dish in Indian cuisine. So we'll start cooking now. Alright guys, I'm going to introduce my son to you. Naman, say hi.
Hello.
He's my partner in crime in this cooking episodes. Alright. Now we're going to go over the ingredients for the dish. The first one is okra. As you can see, it's very finely cut, and it has been it's about 1.5 pounds of it. And then we have about 1.5 to 2 medium-sized white onions or yellow onions. Then we have ginger paste, chopped garlic, turmeric, amchur powder or mango powder. Then we have garam masala. Then we have coriander powder. Then we have salt. Then next we have cumin seeds, red pepper, black pepper, mustard seeds, and fenugreek seeds. And in the last we have hing powder or asafoetida powder. And you will have the description of the quantities in the list listed as in the description of the dish. Alright guys, we have the pan on the gas now, and we have about 1 big spoon of oil. You can use any oil. I'm using just a vegetable or corn oil for cooking this dish in a big pan. Since we are cooking a large amount of okra, we need a bigger pan, like a wok. Alright, once the oil is heated up, we'll start adding the ingredients. Alright, we're gonna add some mustard seeds since the oil is heating up, and some fenugreek seeds. And since it's gonna splatter a little bit, we're gonna add some cumin as well and cook it a little bit. And the next thing we're gonna add is the asafoetida powder, a little bit. Alright, we're good. And the next ingredient, when cumin seeds are cooked and the mustard seeds are cooked, is gonna be our onions and the garlic and ginger paste. So I'm gonna start with adding the ginger paste first. I'm gonna take a big spoon of it. Alright. The next is gonna be our garlic. And after that comes our onions. Alright guys, you can see how the onions are getting cooked. We're gonna keep cooking them till they on a medium flame till they are light to medium brown, and also they will decrease in size as they get cooked. So we'll cook them for another couple of minutes, and we'll then start adding the other ingredients as they cook. As you can see, the onions are pretty good cooked, so we're going to start adding the other ingredients in it. So the first ingredient I'm going to add is our turmeric powder, and the next one I'm going to add is coriander powder, and I'm going to just cook it a little bit so that the coriander powder and the turmeric powder, they get cooked in the heat, so you don't get a raw taste. Alright, now we're going to add the main ingredients, that's our okra, and mix it and cook it. That's the reason we used a bigger pan, because it's a bigger amount. So we're going to start mixing it. Now we have mixed the okra with the onions and the turmeric. So once it is mixed, now we are cooking it on a higher flame, and we're not going to cover the okra, because if you cover it and cook it that way, it's going to get mushy and we want it crisp. So we'll leave it uncovered and we'll continue to cook on a little bit higher flame, and high to medium flame, and continue stirring it so that it gets a little bit crispy and cooked properly. Guys, as you can see, the okra is getting cooked, or bhindi is getting cooked. You can see it is slightly getting brown, and our goal is to make it light brown to a little bit more darker brown so that it's crispy and cooked properly. So we'll continue to cook it a little bit more, and in 1 or 2 minutes we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients to it. So as you can see, the okra is getting cooked. We're gonna add the rest of the ingredients to it. We're gonna add some black pepper according to the taste, and we're gonna add the red pepper. You can add more if you like it spicy. We're gonna add the amchur powder or mango powder, so you can add more of that if you like it a little bit on the sour side, like I'm doing it. And we will save the garam masala and the salt towards the end of it. Alright guys, now that our okra is almost cooked, so we're gonna add the salt and the garam masala at the end, and I'm gonna a little bit lower the flame now because okay, here goes the salt according to the taste. Alright, and we're gonna add the garam masala at the last because that's how it should be done. And the salt is at the end too, so that the okra doesn't give out water and make it mushy. Alright guys, our okra masala or bhindi masala is almost ready. We added the last ingredients, the garam masala and the salt to it according to the taste, so you can make it according to what your taste is. It looks pretty cooked and looks pretty crispy, so I think we are almost done. We're gonna pour it into a bowl and then we're gonna enjoy it. Alright guys, our bhindi masala or okra masala is ready. You can top it off with a cilantro. We have poured it into a bowl and now we're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to add some cilantro on top of it too. Alright, to make it look nice and to garnish. Alright, this is our okra with cilantro on top as garnishing. Looks pretty good. Now it's time to serve it. Alright guys, our little champ Naman is ready to enjoy the okra. I hope you guys also enjoyed the video. It's gonna be best eaten with naan or roti or parantha. Alright, time for us to enjoy while you watch the video. Please don't forget to like or subscribe us. If you click the bell icon, you will get notified of the new videos that we post too.